Do not wait to spin Angora yarn. Do not wait for someday, when it's the right time, or when the kids are older, or when the house is clean, or when the stars magically align. Do not find one more excuse to push your goal further away. Do not wait for perfect timing, perfect fiber, perfect teacher, perfect wheel, perfect feeling perfect. Your first Angora yarn will be perfect, exactly as you spin it. Do not waste another day waiting to feel like it. Just pick up the fiber and start. Get it all wrong, then get it all right. It doesn't matter. Do not wait until all the opinions you have heard about spinning Angora rabbit fiber are made sense of. We each have our own opinions. They deserve no power to stop you from picking up the Angora, walking to your wheel, and pressing the treadle. Do not give in to the opinion of Angora being difficult to spin. Reject it and realize you will not be bound to anything other than your truth and experience. One more day. Do not go one more day wishing and dreaming of spinning Angora yarn. Do it. Start as real as you hear my voice and see me spin on this video. Make your actions real. Refuse to rob yourself of reaching this goal.